Now I create donut charts. That donut charts I will add in the dashboard. So select these two cells, click on Insert tab, then click on donut chart, resize, remove legends, press delete key. Then I remove title, press delete key. Then I format this donut chart. Double click on this donut chart. Select this slice. I change the color for this slice. Suppose I select this color. Then click on border. Check no border line for this slice. Then select this slice. Click solid fill and select color for this slice, this color. I also check no border line. Then copy this donut chart, active dashboard sheet and paste here. Resize. Click on format, select no fill and no outer line. Drag and drop at this position. Decrease this size. Similarly, I copy and paste this donut chart. Press Ctrl plus C shortcut keys. Active this text box and paste here. Again copy this donut chart and paste in this text box. Drag and drop at this position. Then I paste these three donut charts in these three text box. Press Ctrl key. Select this donut chart and select this donut chart. Copy these three donut charts. Then active this text box and press Ctrl plus V shortcut keys. Press mouse and drag right and up. Copy this donut chart, then active this text box and paste here. Press mouse and drag right. Then I type the name of each region in these cells. So in this cell type sales in Alaska. Then I copy this text and paste here. Then I change the region name. Type here Arizona. Similarly select this cell. Type here California. Then select this cell reference and type here Colorado. Then active this cell, type here Florida. Then active this cell, type here name of state. Active this cell, type here name of state. After that, I change the data in the donut charts. So active this donut chart, right click, click on select data, click on edit, For this state, select these two cell references, click OK. Again click OK. Similarly, select this, right click, click on select data, click on edit, select these two cell references, click OK. Similarly, right click, click on edit, select these two cell references, click OK. Then select these two cell references, click OK. Select these two cell references, click OK. Click OK. I select another month. Then I format all these donut charts one by one. Double click on this donut chart. Select this slice, select solid. Then I select this color. Select no border line. Then select this slice. Select this color and no border line. Similarly, select this slice, select solid fill and select color for this line, this color. Then select no line, then select this slice, select color for this slice, this color and no border line. Similarly, select this slice, select solid fill and select this color, no border line. Select this color and no border line. Then select this slice. I select this color, no border line. Then select this slice and select this color and no border line. Then select this slice, select solid fill and select this color, no border line. Select this color and no border line. Then select this donut chart. Select this color. First select this slice. Then select this color. No border line. Then select this slice and this color and no border line for this slice. In the next video, I add text box that will represent percentage in sales, that will represent sales value in percentage and revenue value.